all prone to falling sick. So today I have for all of you a DIY cough drop recipe that you can do at home, and this will help soothe your throat infection or cough and cold that you may have. So let's get quickly started. And so we're going to start off with half a cup. I'm making chamomile and green tea lozenges today. These are really good when it comes to fixing your cold. So you can use any, but I'm using today the green tea, chamomile tea. I've kept the flame in medium. Just gonna let it brew in here. So once the tea is brewed, I'm just going to remove both the bags. Adding in honey now, so it would be 2 tablespoons of honey, quarter of I'm gonna grate a small piece of ginger. I'm gonna keep the flame at low, and this needs to thicken. It needs to boil, thicken up and become like a nice thick concoction. I'll see you again once that's done. So once it has the nice syrupy texture, I'm going to add small droplets on a parchment paper. We're going to let this cool down. So once your droplets are done, I'm just dusting a little bit of corn flour on these. This recipe, I've seen it all around Pinterest, and most of them asked us to dust powdered sugar, but I think sugar might just aggravate your cough, so I'm just dusting corn flour here. So it's easy for us to remove these droplets once they are dried up. Now I'm removing each of them and storing them in a container. Hey friends, so we have our homemade lozenges here. Give these a try when you're sick, especially when you have a sore throat. I'm sure this is going to heal because all the ingredients that we've put into these are separately do help with cold and cough. So I'm sure they're going to do wonders together. So I hope you liked this video, and if you did, please do like, share and subscribe to my channel. If you did like this video, please do share it with your friends. I'm sure it would benefit them as well. So I'll catch you again soon with another video. Until then, take care my friends. Bye bye.